The 2028 Scout Terra marks the triumphant return of the International Harvester Scout's rugged ethos in a modern, all-electric pickup. Built on Scout's dedicated body-on-frame EV platform, the Terra combines heavy-duty hardware such as a solid rear axle and front and rear mechanical locking differentials with an available gas-powered range extender harvester unit. This plug-in hybrid option ensures over 500 miles of combined driving range, addressing range anxiety concerns without compromising true off-road capability. The Terra also debuts an 800V electrical architecture for ultra-rapid DC fast charging and features a 240V onboard power outlet to run tools or campsite appliances directly from the truck's battery pack. Powertrain and performance. Pure EV AWD. Dual permanent magnet motors, one on each axle, deliver up to 1000 lb-ft of instant torque, enabling a brisk 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 3.5 seconds in top trim form. Extended range PHEV. An optional small displacement gasoline generator recharges the 100 kWh battery on the fly, extending the Terra's effective range beyond 500 miles. This series hybrid setup allows the gas engine to operate in its most efficient band, while all-wheel torque remains electric. Towing and payload. Thanks to its robust ladder frame chassis, the Terra can tow up to 10,000 pounds and carry nearly 2,000 pounds of payload, rivaling full-size pickup benchmarks. Charging. The standard NACS DC fast charging port accepts up to 300 kilowatts, replenishing the battery from 10% to 80% in 20 to 25 minutes. An 11 kilowatts onboard AC charger handles level 2 charging overnight. Pricing. Scout Motors has positioned the Terra as an attainable yet capable electric truck. Base EV model starts under $60,000 before incentives for the pure electric version. Extended range. Harvester PHEV versions command $65,000 to $75,000 depending on options and badging. A refundable $100 reservation secures early access to limited Founders Edition runs, which may include exclusive colorways and trim details. Expected launch date. Scout has confirmed start of production for both the Terra pickup and its SUV sibling, the Traveler, in late 2027 at its new Blythewood, South Carolina facility. As 2028 model year vehicles, first customer deliveries are slated for early 2028 with a full North American rollout by mid-year. Scout plans eventual expansion into select export markets thereafter. Exterior features. Heritage-inspired styling. A flat-face signature grille panel without airflow openings recalls the original Scout's bold front end, flanked by full-width LED light bars. Rugged hardware. Pronounced fender flares, Mopar skid plates, and underbody protection ensure durability on the toughest trails. Front sway bar disconnect and long travel suspension provide up to 12 inches of wheel articulation. Modular roof and cargo. Choose between a panoramic glass roof or Scout's cabana top, one of the largest sliding roof openings in any SUV or pickup. A swing-out spare wheel carrier also doubles as a mount for auxiliary fuel or water containers. Utility-ready details. Integrated front storage, retractable tow hooks, and a 240V power outlet in the bed turn the Terra into a mobile worksite or camp base. Interior highlights. Functional cabin layout available in 6-seat bench front or 5-seat bucket front configurations. The Terra's flat floor design maximizes interior space. Tactile controls. Scout embraces physical switches and metal toggle drives mode selectors, eschewing over-reliance on touch screens to maintain a direct, mechanical feel. Advanced infotainment. A portrait-oriented 15-in touchscreen running Scout's community UX handles navigation, media, and vehicle settings, complemented by a 12.3-in digital driver display. Durable materials. Seats in recycled fiber or vegan leather upholstery, cork composite dash inlays, and injection-molded carpets from reclaimed fishing nets underscore Scout's sustainability focus. Smart storage. Underseat cubbies, door panel bottle holders,